Good morning, everybody. It's January 25th, 2019. This is my 2019 Chevy Colorado ZR2 DURAMAX 2.8. And I've had this beast for, I think, a month to the day. Oh, no, I lied. Just over a month and a week. And for about 2 weeks, I've been having an issue. The old map sensor on this thing keeps on setting off a trouble code. And what my dealership suggested was put on a winter front. But guess what? Chevy doesn't make winter fronts for them. And then the owner's manual says don't put on a winter front. So their suggestion was to put cardboard in front of this grill. Not happening. So in 2 weeks, I've had the malfunction indicator lamp come on 5 times. Like today, it's minus 27. And the first time it came on, it was in the minus 20s. And I'm like, yeah, it's because of the cold temperature. You know, it's getting too much cold air. Well, last week, it was nice and warm out. It was only minus 9, and it came on again. So I think it's the sensor. What do you think? Think it's a sensor? Or do you think I need to put on the ugly winter front? So yesterday, watched my video yesterday. I started it up, wasn't plugged in. Went to work, and check engine light came on. So I took to a dealership. They told me the same thing. And I'll leave the dealership and make it maybe 500 meters down the road, and a check engine light came on. So, I don't know. I'm no mechanic, but that tells me that the sensor is in fact pooched. So I called them again today, and they're gonna replace my sensor today. Like, whatever. That's good. So, I would remote start it, but check engine light's on, so it won't happen. This is where, if you gotta plug in your truck, that's where the cord comes out. And then you can tuck the cord in right there to stow it. I don't know, a little weird. But it's minus 27 today. I'm on my way to the dealership. Excuse me. To get it sorted out, hopefully. I'll let it come in here. And just show you how fast these glow plugs and stuff actually function. If you ever had a diesel, especially mid-2000s or prior, I'm speaking like a Jetta or a Chevy truck or anything like that, the glow plugs took forever. And when I moved out here, I had a 2000 Jetta, and I'd have to cycle the glow plugs 3 or 4 times before it started. Not nowadays. My previous truck was a 14 Ram Eco Diesel, which I traded on this thing, and it was phenomenal. When I traded in, it had 217,000 kilometers. A couple issues, but nothing.
Okay. So wait, if 3 people just make out and like fondle each other's genitals in the pants, that's a no.
How yeah. So let's cycle this, and I'll show you how fast the glow plugs actually work. On, off.
I believe that. Thank you.
There you see the old check engine light. 6,787 kilometers. Oh, that's what, I don't know what that is in miles. But this is the 19. So like the center cluster, it's got a bunch of cool, I don't know, more techie, higher, better graphics than the 18s and previous. I have an 18 Cruise diesel, and it's got the old dash, and got the new head unit for here, and it's pretty checked out. I can tell you that the CarPlay in this thing's phenomenal. I don't have an Android, but my friend does. He stuck it in there. It's pretty good too. Really fast, really good. No issues on this bad boy. The camera, you can actually turn on while you're driving. I think it runs for about 10 seconds. And then if you're gonna hook up a trailer, you got your guidance lines there to hook up your ball. But I'm gonna let this beast run, warm up, and let you guys know how it goes at the old dealership. Hopefully they replace the sensor and solves my issues. But that's the only issue I've had. So I'm not too pissy about it, because I had, like I said, I had a 14 Eagle Diesel the first year that came out, and the first, well, all of winter, the first year I had it, the whole winter was in the shop for something. And after that first year, I had no issues really until last year. I replaced a DEF tank, but it was a fantastic truck. All right, you guys take it easy. Thanks for watching. Cheers.